Good morning class 11 Commerce. Another new lesson in accountancy, subsidiary books. I already told the meaning of subsidiary book. It is a book in which special registers are prepared where similar nature of transaction took place. Similar nature of transactions are recorded at one place. When I completed the chapter cash book, I told we have different 8 kinds of subsidiary book. One is cash book, we have already done. Today we are going to do purchase book. Now in purchase book we have to take care. Number 1, in purchase book we will record only credit purchase. Remember, we will record only credit purchase. No cash entry will be recorded over here. No cash purchase. So where cash purchase will go? It will go in cash book. In purchase book we are going to record only credit purchase, and that is of goods only. Credit purchase of goods. If we are purchasing any fixed assets, furniture, plant, machine, building, land, etc., they won't be recorded into purchase book because they are fixed assets, and we pass journal entry with the name of that fixed assets account debit to party name or to cash. So while preparing purchase book, we are going to record only entry for credit purchase of goods. No cash purchase or no purchase of fixed assets, whether cash or credit. All cash transaction will be recorded into cash book. So this is the main feature of purchase book we have to take care. Now another important thing over here is, this is the format. This is the format of subsidiary book, purchase book. Date, as you know very well, particular, ledger folio. In my previous video I told the meaning of ledger folio. Invoice number. What is the meaning of invoice number? When we purchase goods either in cash or credit, party give me the bill. That invoice number is bill number. Invoice number is bill number. Detail. In detail we are going to do addition or subtraction. Here we are going to write purchase. Here input CGST, input SGST. CGST, Central Goods and Service Tax, State Goods and Service Tax. This CGST and SGST, when transaction take place within the state only, within Haryana, within Rajasthan, and if transaction took place with any other state, then instead of input CGST or input SGST, which word we are going to use? Input goods and service tax. This is I stand for interstate with other state, and here the total amount is going to come. So this is the format. We will start now. Illustration 1. It is given on page number 12.3. Illustration number 1, page number 12.3. The name of the sum is, from the following transaction prepare a purchase book of Pawan Electronics. Pawan Electronics. Pawan Electronics. It means he is dealing in electronics item. So here first transaction is given January 2, and we are working for 2017. January 2017. Here it is on second. It is written that purchase goods from Surya Electric Store. So we will write over here Surya Electric Store. Surya Electric Store. Now we will give the detail of the item. Invoice number is 480. 480. Ledger folio dash. Now 40 tube light. 40 tube light at the rate of rupees 500 each. And then it is given 15 table fan. 15 table fan at the rate of 2000 each. So my dear, it becomes 20,000 rupees and it becomes 30,000 rupees. Total is 50,000. Then it is given less trade discount 20%. So let us deduct less trade discount 20%. It's 20% become 10,000. So remaining net purchase is 40,000. And here we have not given any kind of SGST is given or not in the sum? In above, on the top of the sum it is given CGST 6%, SGST 6%. So here we will add input CGST, input SGST 6%, 2400 and 2400. Total is 44,800. Now how to show? Your purchase is 40,000, input CGST 2400, input SGST 2400. This transaction is within state. Our business is of New Delhi and party from whom we are purchasing also of New Delhi, and here the total will come 44,800, 44,800. So this is the first transaction we have passed. Don't write it here, don't go further. Next, it is given on 10. Both goods from New Light Traders cannot place New Delhi. Again the party is of Delhi only and it is on credit. We have given it is on 10. The name of the party is New Light Traders. New Light Traders, Delhi. And items are 10 ceiling fan, 10 ceiling fan at the rate 3,000 each, and 20 electronic irons at the rate of 500 each, 10% trade discount. So this becomes 30,000, it becomes 10,000, total is 40, less trade discount 10%, it is 4,000. Your net purchase is 36,000. Then input CGST, input SGST 6%. So sir, it becomes 2160, 2160. So total become here 40,320. How to show? Purchase is 36,000. 2160 is input CGST. 2160 is this, and total become 40,320. This is your another entry. We are recording only credit purchase. Next entry is given on 20. Purchase goods from Ravindra Electronic, Patel Nagar, New Delhi on credit. In earlier entry, invoice number was 2310, the bill number. Now we are purchasing from Ravindra Electronic, Delhi. Again you have to give the details. First we are purchasing 100 dozen bulbs, 100 dozen bulb at the rate 1,000 per dozen, so into 1,000 rupees. And then we have given 20 water heater, 20 water heater at the rate we have given 1,000 each, 1,000 each. So my dear, it becomes 1 lakh and it becomes 20,000. Total is 120. Then trade discount is given 25%. Less trade discount 25. It becomes 30,000. So here 90,000 is your total net purchase. Now input CGST, input SGST 6%, 5,400. Now here 90, 5,400, and here total will come. If this party belongs to outside New Delhi, suppose Haryana, Punjab or Rajasthan, then this, instead of showing CGST and SGST 6 plus 6, total 12% will be showing into input IGST, right? Now entry on 22nd, it is written bought goods from Sunny Lamp, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi for cash. It is written very clearly, it is cash transaction. So here put the note 22nd March, no entry in this book, no entry, because it is cash purchase, And next entry 28, bought from Fashion Furniture, Chitra Gupta Road, New Delhi, invoice number this, 12 chair, 2 table. Though here goods purchased on credit, but here we are purchasing chair and table, and our business is of Electronic item. Our business is of electronic item. So I told we are going to record only goods, not the fixed assets. So this entry also we will not record and we will give not here. So in this way we are going to prepare purchase book. Please ask your doubt if anybody. Right? Now let us go for sum number second. In sum number second also let us read the sum. Enter the following transaction in purchase book of Superior Cloth House. It means our business is related with cloth. So we have to deal with only cloth transaction over here, and that is of credit. April 4 purchase from Radha Krishnan and Son, New Delhi, and parties also of New Delhi. 100 meter cotton cloth 200 per meter, 80 meter cloth 500 per meter, trade discount 20%. In the same way, input CGST, input SGST 2.5, 2.5. Then purchase from Raghubir Prasad and Company, 50 meter silk cloth, 40 meter cotton cloth, the same transaction. Next 20th, purchase from Modern Furniture House. Now see, our business is of cloth now and we are purchasing over here furniture. So this entry won't be recorded. And the last transaction 25th, purchase from Hariom and Sons, white voice number 390, 100 meter woolen cloth, less trade discount. अभी हमने गुड्स गुजरात से खरीदा है. It is written clearly गुजरात and party belongs to New Delhi. So here 2.5 plus 2.5 CGST and SGST. We will not charge CGST, SGST. 5% directly it will be written under the input IGST because it is interstate transaction. And in this entry we have given trade freight also, freight charging. So here remember, freight we are not going to record. We will record only purchase into the rate, less trade discount, add input IGST 5% and that directly will go here. Freight will not be recorded over here. For freight, a separate entry will be passed. Freight account debit, input IGST. Freight is 3000, input IGST is 150 to cash account or to bank account in this way. So this is purchase book today we are doing. So in this way we will be preparing our purchase book. We will record only which transaction, my dear friends? We will record only credit transaction, and that transaction is only of my dear, that belongs to goods only, credit purchase of goods, neither cash purchase nor purchase of any fixed assets either in cash or on credit. Thank you very much for today.